In this video, we will show how Flexera SaaS Management module integrates the different data sources into a single consolidated usage view. These data sources include the browser extension, agent, vendor API, CASB, and SSO. Usage is then aggregated across these sources at the individual user level to give a comprehensive view of activity against entitlements. Having this level of accuracy in your data allows organizations to make informed decisions leading up to a SaaS renewal or a true-up. This allows organizations to achieve cost optimization through buying what they need and using what they buy. To do this, you need to have the different discovery sources configured within the platform. If you're an existing Flexera customer, you would have the agent already deployed, which tracks on-device application usage. For the browser extension, it can be pushed from the agent and supports Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Apple Safari. Vendor APIs, CASB, and SSO can be configured within the platform, but are vendor-specific, so please refer to the documentation link below. To get started, navigate to the SaaS tab on the left-hand side, indicated by the cloud icon. Click Get Started, scroll down, and View Connectors over here. Here we can see all of the out-of-the-box connectors that we have, those that have been added, and those that are not added yet. Let's click on Dropbox over here, Add Connector. Over here, we can name the connector, enter the app key, app secret, refresh token, and set the schedule. Once you're done, you can click Save. Each vendor has different procedures within the SaaS Management portal, so click the Help link over here, and it will bring you to the documentation. Within a few minutes, you'll be able to see all the SaaS applications we have detected through the various discovery sources. Here we can see a total of 22,000 applications that have been discovered, and most of them have not been approved yet. We've also classified the applications by category, as well as listed the top 5 used applications. We've also normalized the application name, the vendor, as well as the category. Now, depending on how the application was discovered, we can use the different filters over here to detect how it was picked up. If we click on the SaaS connector filter here, it will be indicated by the cloud icon. This means that we pulled in entitlement and some usage data from the vendor portals. Next, let's look at browser verified and unverified. It will be indicated by the window icon here. And that means that users have visited or performed the login activity at one of the 25,000 SaaS applications we are tracking. For SSO, we are using the lock icon over here, and it indicates usage activity detected when the application is accessed from the SSO provider. And it can be helpful to track SaaS usage on multiple devices or mobile devices. Clicking on the device filter here, it is indicated by the computer icon, and this is activity detected by the agent installed on endpoints such as laptops or desktops. This is especially useful for hybrid applications like Microsoft 365, which can have applications installed on the endpoint or used by the browser. Lastly, let's look at the CASB connector, and it's indicated with the cloud with the lock icon, which has filtered Microsoft Defender activity to display user visits to SaaS websites. To summarize, let's look at an example like Microsoft Word. And here we can see the multiple discovery sources in action. Here we know activity is based on the SaaS connector, the agent that's running on the device, as well as browser activity. Taken together, we want to see a consolidated usage from a subscription like Microsoft 365. So let's look at that. Here, we are not only tracking subscription assignment, as you can see on the left-hand side, but also activity, which is a combination of those discovery sources we touched on. By adding in the cost data, we can see the cost of subscription inactivity or no activity, which represents significant potential savings when it comes time for renewal or true-up. Now that you understand how Flexera's different SaaS discovery methods work, the next step will be to configure the different methods to ensure you get sufficient depth and breadth of SaaS usage in your environment. In our next video, we will show you how to add organizational structures to drive accountability in your SaaS environment. If you'd like more information, please visit our community pages or Flexera docs on how to configure the platform.